How to do bicycle crunches. Perfect your form. Hey fitness enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into one of the most effective exercises for sculpting those ABS bicycle crunches. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, perfecting your form is crucial to getting the most out of this powerful move. Step-by-step guide to perfect bicycle crunches. Start position. Lie flat on your back with your lower back pressed into the floor. Place your hands lightly behind your head for support. Lift and twist. Bring your knees up to a 90-degree angle and lift your shoulders off the ground. Twist your torso, bringing your right elbow towards your left knee while straightening your right leg. Switch sides. Repeat the movement on the opposite side, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee while straightening your left leg. Steady rhythm. Continue alternating sides in a controlled, rhythmic motion. Ensure your movements are deliberate and slow to engage your core muscles fully. Tips for perfect form. Don't pull on your neck. Keep your hands behind your head for support, but avoid pulling on your neck to prevent strain. Engage your core. Focus on using your abdominal muscles to lift and twist your torso, rather than relying on momentum. Controlled movements. Move slowly and deliberately to maximize muscle engagement and avoid injury. By incorporating these tips and following the step-by-step guide, you'll be on your way to stronger, more defined ABS in no time. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one.